Hey everyone, welcome back to English Story Days, your friendly space to learn English through stories and real conversations. Do you ever feel stuck using the same English words again and again? Words like okay, good, very nice, no problem. Well, today I will teach you 10 smart English phrases that native speakers use all the time in daily life. These phrases will make you sound more confident, more natural, and yes, more like a native speaker. So, let's begin. Phrase number one sounds good. Use this instead of saying okay. Example: when someone says, let's meet at 6, you can say, sounds good. Phrase number two, I'm not sure yet. Use this instead of saying, I don't know. Example, if someone asks, are you coming to the party? You can say, I'm not sure yet. Phrase number three, I'll get back to you. Use this when you want to reply later. Example, if your boss asks, can you finish the report today? You can say, I'll get back to you on that. Phrase number four, that's a good point. Use this when you agree with someone's idea. Example, if your friend says, we should start early to avoid traffic, you can say, that's a good point. Phrase number five, let's catch up soon. Use these when you want to meet someone again. Example, after a nice chat with your friend, you can say, let's catch up again soon. Phrase number six, no worries. A friendly way to say, it's okay or no problem. Example, if someone says, sorry, I'm late, you can reply, no worries. Phrase number seven, I'm just kidding. Use this when you are joking. Example, you can say something like, you are fired. Just kidding. Phrase number eight, that's awesome. Use this instead of saying very good or great. Example, if someone says, I got a new job, you can say, that's awesome. Phrase number nine, fingers crossed. Say this when you are hoping for a good result. Example, if your friend says, I have my exam tomorrow, you can say, fingers crossed, you will do great. Phrase number 10, it's up to you. Use this when you let someone decide. Example, if someone asks, should we eat out or stay in? You can say, it's up to you. So these were 10 smart phrases that will make your English sounds more natural and confident. Start using them today and you will see the difference. I want you to remember, speaking good English doesn't mean using difficult words. It means using simple, correct, and natural phrases like this. Start with just 2 or 3 phrases from today's video. Use them with your friends in your daily life or even while speaking to yourself. Slowly, these phrases will become part of your natural speech, and I promise you will feel more fluent day by day. Now, tell me in the comments which phrase did you like the most? And remember, mistakes are okay. Practice is powerful, and you can do this. Take your time, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You don't have to be perfect to be confident. You don't need big words to sound smart. All you need is the courage to keep trying even when it feels hard. Some days will feel easy, some days will feel slow. But every small effort you make bring you one step closer to the fluent English speaker you dream to be. Don't compare your journey to others. You are unique, your progress is real. Even if you speak one new phrase today, even if you speak just one full sentence tomorrow, that's growth. That's success. So speak with joy, learn with patience, and celebrate every small win. Because you are not just learning English, you are building confidence, courage, and a new version of yourself. I believe in you, and I will be right here with more stories, more lesson, and more love only on English Story Days. Take care, stay positive, and don't forget you are doing better than you think. Bye for now, keep smiling and keep signing.